today. But guess what? We're going Pandora hunting. Yay.
Summertime, love it.
Do you love Pandora hunting?
Almost as much.
Almost as much? You're so sweet. You're laughing.
Almost as much as coffee.
Almost as much as coffee? I guess we're going for coffee first. Are we going for coffee first?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go for coffee first. There's a puppy over there escaping from his owner. He's going to get in trouble. Scuba's a good boy. He doesn't do those tricks. Well, not anymore. He's too old for those shenanigans. I better not give him any ideas. All right, let's go get coffee. Well, I'm not going to get coffee. I'm going to get lemonade because it's too hot for that stuff. I must say stuff. All right. Let's guess what Dan's gonna get. Not Dad. Why would I say Dad? You're not my dad. I know. Dan is gonna get. He's Scuba's dad, kind of. Not really. Well, he pays all his bills. Kind of. All right. I think Dan's gonna get what are you gonna get? I think he's gonna get a double espresso with ice. Is that it?
Close.
Close? I'm very bad. It's like, I don't get it by now. That's really bad. But when I'm on my own and I bring you coffee, I always get it right. How come?
Caffeine is caffeine. It's always good.
Oh. Or I probably call you first. Look at that gold bug. I kind of like that. Do you?
It's gold.
It's gold. Maybe I'm out of the Volkswagen stage. We did have a Volkswagen once.
Kind of looks like a...
What?
What do they call that?
Baja bug?
Pandora.
A Pandora
Charm.
Charm?
What do they call that? Gold.
Oh, Murano? I don't know.
Pandora Shine.
Pandora Shine?
Gold.
Yeah, it probably does. It actually probably looks more like a rose gold. But I don't think either one of those are right actually all the time. So, okay, let's find out.
Look at a venti. Oh, sorry.
Look at all the goodies they have, and I'm not allowed to order. This cream cone sugar cookie. That would be one sloppy mess today anyways.
Hey, welcome to Starbucks. How are we doing today?
Give you.
Doing well, thank you. What can we get started?
Look at the venti mango dragon fruit lemonade.
Lovely. Anything else?
Extra dragon fruit pieces.
Anything else?
I'll take a venti Americano on ice.
Venti Americano on ice. Anything in that? Any dairy, syrup? What are we feeling?
Nope, just like that.
Lovely. Nice and simple. I do.
And a glass of water with ice, please.
Yeah, what size water?
Small.
Grande.
Grande cup of water with ice.
It's for the dude.
Lovely coming up, 11:54. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yay! You changed it up. Did you change it up?
Tall coffee with ice.
Tall coffee with ice. Alrighty. Okay, it's hot in here. Be back in a minute. Okay, we get to go down one of our favorite roads. What is this favorite road? Thunder. Then we're going to go up into Ancaster. And we're going to look at a bunch of charms. I think I only need one or two. Actually, because I only know of one that I highway. So we should be there in no time at all. I'm trying to figure out whether to keep you along for the ride or not. How about we go as long as the camera goes? Which is usually about 4 minutes. Buddy, you almost fell off. What you doing there? Here's a drink. You want a drink? Drink. Yummy? Some more drink. Well, that was hardly worth me opening the drink up. Ah, dude. Come here there, buddy. He just stuck his nose in and left. Didn't even take one in a slurp.
Already came home.
Oh, did you? I thought he was super thirsty. Alrighty. We're off. So, it's 32 now. That's really hot. How was your walk?
It's good. Shaded with all the trees.
Well, that's not bad then. We also have to go to the post office to mail out our last 2 winners. And then we'll have to think about the next draw. Should we have another draw?
Sure. Last one was fun.
Last one was fun. I don't know how we're going to beat a carnival though. Maybe we'll do a carnival with a better photography. That was my fault.
Gotta kick up the lighting a bit.
Yeah, and I forgot to put the lights on. But I thought the darker it was, the more the lights would show from the ride. I think I was wrong.
Ambiance.
Ambiance wasn't quite there. Couldn't even see my sand. Oh, cheers, too. We're having our coffee. Well, coffee and lemonade. It's Saturday morning. And we were late this week, too. I just put up a video this week, and this one will go up next week. So, we're going to be all caught up. I hope. I guess that all depends on what deals are out there. Right?
Correct.
I like the $10 deals. So, if there's $10 deals out there, give me a call. And you can be on Pandora Hunting. Okay, I'm going to show you the map again. Oh, I might have just missed it again. I did. Sorry about that, guys. I'll try and get it on the way down. And the traffic slows to a crawl. Oh no, what's going on? All right, we're getting close. makes sense. But our house is awful cold. It's like a fridge.
It's comfortable.
It is very comfortable. So comfortable. We don't like to go out too much. Unless we go hunting. Or, what else do we do?
Eat.
Eat. We do that. We take Scoop for a walk. And we're pretty low maintenance. Ooh, look at that car. Okay, here's a tree. This is pretty. Yeah. What is that, babe?
It's old. 40s, 30s.
It's very cool. Oh, you found our street. Okay. We're gonna get out our money. Close. All right. Got it. Let me give this one a try. Okay, we've got the charms. She had a few. I had one of these before, and I gave it to my niece because she liked horseback riding. So, once again, I've acquired the equestrian charm. And I've got another tin soldier. The one I have is pretty banged up, and now I've got 2 soldiers to put in between the castle. I've got one of these, now it makes a pair. And I've always wanted the purple effervescent, I think it's called, Murano charm. I think it's, there's a special name for this cut, but I don't have it, and it's really, really pretty. I do have them in green, and once they're cleaned up, they're very, very gorgeous charms. They're not Muranos. I think they're cut quartz, I believe, or they're real stones. I'm not sure. Anyways, so we got these at $10. Very, very fun. What do you think? Is that a good haul?
Nice.
I think so.
Pretty clean.
They are. They need to be polished, but they're beautiful. They don't look like there's any scratches on here. Here Scuba wants to go out. This one's called the Looking Glass, and I was always looking for the match for this one because it's very, very pretty blue. It's very soft. So that's a nice bunch of charms. So I think this is going to be our haul for today. Thank you for coming Pandora hunting with Debbie and Scuba Dude and Dan driving. And Scuba wants to go back to a park. So he's all excited. All right, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you back next week on Pandora Hunting with Debbie and Scuba Dude.
Have a great summer.
Thanks, guys. Look how beautiful that is. It's a beauty. I bet that's going out for a ride today. Think that's got a rumble seat in it?
Oh, it's a four-door. It's got suicide seat window doors on it.
I think it's got a rumble seat. Oh, maybe.
No rumble seat.